Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back to another studio vlog. It has been an intense week for the whole entire world. I know that my world is totally turned upside down. I know that yours has probably been as well. Lots of people losing their jobs, can't go out on lockdown, quarantining themselves, getting coronavirus. This is like a dream, a nightmare. I never would have thought anything like this would have happened to us, and it is here. It's real and it is scary. So I wanted to get on here and get away from the news, because if you guys are anything like me, you are glued to the news 24/7. At least I have been. So since I know most of us are stuck at home, I thought I would work on some fun things for my shop and bring you guys along with me, get away from all of the craziness, even if it is just for a moment. So I do have one really fun thing that I want to work on with you guys today, and that is play with my brand new Heidi Swap Minc Machine. So you guys know that I have added foil stickers to the shop, and I am so in love. Get ready, because I'm about to start adding a ton of foil stickers to the shop, especially after getting this bad boy. So I'm going to open this up with you guys on camera. Hopefully it works better than the laminator, although my laminator works really nicely. I just have heard that this one works a little bit better, so we'll test that out together. I also have a couple orders to do, which is my favorite thing, so I definitely want to do those with you guys. We did release our brand new kaleidoscope collection. If you guys did not see the unveiling of that, I'll leave a little card over here if you guys want to check that out. We have had a ton of orders for that new collection, along with a lot of sticker albums, which I was not prepared for. So I'm going to start cutting all of the sticker albums, and then we'll go ahead and play with our Minc Machine. And then if anything else pops up, I will work on that too, because we're here to have fun, stay home, and stay safe. So let's get going. Ooh, it is so pretty with the white and gold. It is a lot larger than I would have thought. I guess I should have known with it being like 12 inches. My laminator is much smaller, so this is going to take up more room on the desk here, so I'll have to make use of that. All of the switches are on the back here, so there's an on and off switch, and then a reverse and forward switch, so that is cool if anything gets stuck. And then it looks like there are 5 settings, maybe 6 settings. It's 0 to 5, and then the gold on switch. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on and get it warmed up. I'm gonna switch it on to number 5. Alright, it's a little loud. Alright, while that heats up, I'm going to start cutting a bunch of the sticker albums and laminating them so that it gives a little bit of shine and sturdiness to the cover. The mini albums are the most popular, and these are 2 of the brand new ones. I'd say that the kaleidoscope is probably the most popular. We do have a tulip one, which is also going like crazy as well. But yeah, so let's go ahead and start with these. I know I have a couple clover ones to cut as well, so let's get started. so the Minc Machine is ready. It actually only took 6 minutes to warm up, which is so crazy because it is so hot. I actually had to move it from the marble top because the marble top is like a adhesive and it melted it. So it is super hot. So if you have the Minc Machine or are thinking about getting it, be super careful. It also really stinks. It has like a really plastic burning smell to it. I did read that that is like normal for the first like couple hours, so it's gonna stink in this office. Thank goodness you guys cannot smell it. But I did raise it a bit so that it doesn't burn the tabletop anymore or start a fire. Thank God. That would be horrible, horrible. So let's get to foiling, see how this bad boy does. Can you see that? I have like black registration marks all over this sheet, and that's because I decided to try and foil the sticker sheets first before cutting them, and I didn't cover the registration marks with the foil because of course my cutter needs to read them, and it definitely would not read them if it was foiled. So that is not a good idea, I don't think. So I decided to actually cut them first and then put them in here, and they turned out pretty good. Enjoyed spending the day with me. Maybe it helped get you away from all of the crazy nonsense and news in the world just for a moment. Please, please, please keep yourself safe, stay inside, take care of yourself, and that will help take care of others. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!